Trades tab is your real-time control center for all active market activity. Under open positions, you can see your live and practice P&L updating in real time. You have the flexibility to exit any individual position or close all open positions at once with a single click. Order history gives you a complete log of every order that has been placed, with powerful filters to sort by date, strategy, P and L range, signal type, result, and account type. The all signals section shows every signal that was triggered by your strategies, how many were successfully executed, how many were missed, and the specific reason behind each missed signal, helping you identify and resolve issues quickly. Pending orders displays all orders that have been placed but are yet to be executed in the market.